How to find the blocked user list on the REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily find the blocked user list on the REDnote app. If you've blocked someone and want to review or manage that list, this guide will make it super easy. Let's get started. First of all, you'll have to open the REDnote app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in if you're not already. And once you are logged in, all you have to do is tap on the menu icon on the bottom right corner. It will take you to your profile page. And once you get to your profile, you'll have to access your settings menu. So for that, you'll find this gear icon, just tap on it. And once you access your settings page, you'll have to find privacy settings, just tap on it. And on the privacy settings, you'll have a bunch of options. Like you can adjust your activity status, your private messages, your collection, and other. And under relationship, you'll find ways to find me, followers following, blocked people, and just tap on blocked users. You'll find a list of blocked users. Just tap on their profile, and if you want to unblock, you can just tap on it like this. And that's how you can easily find a block list on the REDnote app. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.